I will show you how you can use advanced operator intersect with and how you can apply it on your repeating groups and the list of data. This is my main page, and I'm currently in the middle of building marketplace with different job roles, and I would like to let my users to choose not only one but 2, 3 more possible locations. And after the user choose that number of locations, I would like to retrieve the data from Europe and the UK, from Europe and the UK and the worldwide. And the easiest way to do that is to use intersect with operator. We will compare two different lists. We're going to compare the list of the repeating group, and we compare the user's choice. So let's come back to the bubble editor. And in order to do that, we need to find the repeating group. Or you can do that on the left side menu bar, or you can click on the main page. So in my case, it's going to be this one. And now we need to get an access to the advanced filtering. We need to find and choose from the drop-down list filters, and then we need to set a constraint. So advanced here, and this is the job role. So this job role, so it means this repeating group, and then we need to choose a column, the name of the column or name of parameter. So in my case, it's going to be location. And after that, we need to compare intersect with values the user choose, and then click. Nothing happened, right? So it's kind of an error. Why it might happen? It happened because we are comparing two different lists. So the first list is job roles, and the second is user's choice. So we are comparing like locations within many different entries, rows, and we are comparing user's choice. So the user's choice can be like one item or inside the list, or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 items, and we are comparing. So, and the main question sounds like, does the item from the user choice is in the entry of the row inside the database? And we are comparing each item within the list with the item within the row. And in this case, we are returning the Boolean type. So we are getting the type yes or no. And it means if the condition is met, it should be at least 1 or 2 or 3. So it should be at least 1. In this case, it's going to be the count. So we need to count the number of when the condition is met. So it's going to be count is not 0. Or we can set it count greater than 0. It's how it works, right? Let's come back on the main page and let's refresh the page. On the main page, we are having so currently we have nothing. Why it happened? Because we applied the constraint, which is not letting us to show any result, because user does not make any choice. So currently user can click on Europe, and we are seeing all the results from the Europe. And what if the user click on the worldwide? Great. So now we see all the results which were retrieved from the database, from Europe and from the worldwide. This is the behavior I wanted to achieve, and this the behavior I wanted to show you, and how easy you can use that kind of functionality with your repeating groups when you need to filter out results not by only one parameter, but several values within one parameter. But what if you wanted to apply the same. What if you wanted to apply not only one constraint but several, right? So in this case, you just click on add new constraint, and then you can apply several constraints, and it's going to work.